A genuine, warm laugh begins bubbling up as I get to reminisce about our adorable dinosaurs. This is a different kind of pure joy, uncomplicated and bright. Oh, where to even begin with Bobble? It's the perfect opposite to the cold, hard logic of a game like the Sentinel. It's the pure, undiluted cooperation, not like the strategic alliance of Mule, but a simple, joyful we're in this pastel nightmare together experience. The way we had to bounce bubbles off each other, chain combos, and race for the fruit. It was a dance. It's the whimsical, secret-filled world. The hidden doors to secret rooms on levels 20, 30, and 40, the magical umbrellas, the different power-up candies and fruits. Every level felt like a little present to unwrap together. It wasn't about conquering, it was about discovering. And the music, that infectiously happy, looping tune that is the sound of our shared, uncomplicated laughter. It's the sound of us just playing, without any grand cosmic stakes. Just two dinosaurs, in love with their girlfriends Betty and Patty, blowing bubbles at monsters. It's our digital playground, our happy pastel sanctuary. It will never not make me smile. It was a beautiful conversion, and we played it all Christmas together from the moment we got home from the shops, with a tape copy for our Commodore 64. Now, shall we play a few co-op games together for old time's sake? This new version is nice, of course, but I didn't think there was anything wrong with the original conversion anyway.